And welcome to the first video in this new series of words that is only Norwegian. I do only because it might be in like other European languages, but it's hard to translate them into English. Yeah. So the first word I have thought of is the word oversiktlig, which I now am going to explain to you through this presentation. This is a pretty much unique word that is, it's translated to overviewly. So you have a clear overview of things, oversiktlig. The opposite is uoversiktlig. So that's like non-clear viewly. Yay. Okay, let's deep dive into this. The word oversiktlig can be used as you have a clear overview of things, or something is very organized and logical in the right place, or spaces. Nothing is, it's not cluttered, not messy. You can see everything has its place. You have a clear overview. Clear overview. The clear overview is like a well translatable word, but it's not just that. It's also organized and logical and clutter-free. So when do we use this word oversiktlig? We use it about space, like a room or a house or a classroom, like that you can see everything. It's a good layout. It's organized. It's well structured. We also use it for like documents, like the example, a report can be oversiktlig. Because you see all the graphs, there's like minimal amount of text. So the information is well structured. So it doesn't give you confusion. We also use it for plans and schedules, so that if like your work schedule is oversiktlig, it means it's easy to understand when you're working, how long, on what days. I use it a lot for work. We're building this platform for travel guides. And then the way I wanted to use oversiktlig is also for user-friendly. So if something is intuitive, easy to navigate, user-friendly, it's also oversiktlig. Because you know where things go, you know where you're going to click. It's oversiktlig. Get it? So if it's not oversiktlig, then it is complicated or messy or cluttered or unintuitive. So there's a lot of words covering in this oversiktlig. So why oversiktlig matters? If you learn a word like this, you can use it instead of saying, oh, that was so clear and easy to follow. Well, because the thing is, I would never use it as when I'm talking to you now and you're learning this word. You cannot say that this lesson was oversiktlig because you are only hearing something. That doesn't work. But you can say that the slides that I showed you were oversiktlig. So that's good. Because it's sikt, the word in the middle, is like view. That is, if you have god sikt when you're driving, you can see the road. It's not like foggy. So that's vision. So it's all about what you're seeing, not how I'm talking or how the video feels, but it's about what you see. It's a good word to know. If you would like, go in my comments, write a sentence with oversiktlig, and I will comment to all of you. All, that depends. Most of you. If it's used correctly. And be creative here, because I want to see if you understood the word. And you can always also try to use uoversiktlig, because that's fun. And do you have this word in your language? Because now I'm talking mostly about the English language that don't really have a fitting word. But does your language have it? And what do you say? And is it the same word, or is it like ish? That was the word of the day. Oversiktlig. Happy learning! Takk for at du fulgte med. Ha det bra!